Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you fruit for thought. So this is a lifestyle sort of a box that revolves around a fruit or a food. I don't remember how much it costs. It'll be on the screen. There are a couple of giveaways going on right now. There are two. They are both linked down below, and let's get into this. Now, you guys know that this is one of my favorite boxes. I do really like this box, although I don't think I am... Oh, I spoke too soon. No, generally this is one of my favorite boxes, but I'm not digging the smell that's coming out of this. So it doesn't smell like any sort of a fruit that I know of. I hope something didn't spill in here. Oh my God. It's like, it's almost headache worthy. Whatever it is. It's super, super strong. Okay, so February's theme is raspberry rose. It's the rose. So something must have spilled in here. I need to get through this as fast as I can. Oof. Oh my goodness. Okay. And Fruit for Thought doesn't give prices, so it's share a pic of this to be entered. Okay. This is, oh my goodness, this is not smelling good at all. And that may have been... Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out, it fell directly out of the box. I'm not entirely sure what is even... Oh, okay, I see, I think. But it didn't have a lid. Oh no, it did have a lid. It just fell. Okay, that's cute. So it's like this. There we go. And then this goes inside. This is safety sealed, so this isn't what I'm smelling, I don't think. There is that, but that is super cute. And goes in just like that. Oh, it's the rose that's gonna kill me. Ooh, dark chocolate raspberry cream filled chocolate bar. I'm down for that. The next thing I am pulling out is this cute little bracelet. Hold on. Decorate your arm with your pretty 4-Nash single strand bead Zoe bracelet with gold metallic tassels and embellishments. Okay, it's cute. Oh my goodness, what is in here that is smelling? Okay, it's cute. It is, it's cute. But I will probably just toss that into a giveaway. The next thing I am pulling out is a raspberry and red currant preserves. Oh, okay. It's a single packet of jelly or preserves. It's interesting. I've never gotten anything like that in a box before, but okay. The next thing I am pulling out is pink hot chocolate, artificially flavored. Okay, so it's hot chocolate and it comes in a tin can. It is sealed. I'm not going to open it. It's hot chocolate, so I mean, it must be that lotion. I don't know. I'm just so confused. What is this? Okay, so this is what I'm smelling, and thank God it's not a liquid. So this is a Tiara Rose Romance Botanicals, and it's soap. It's a bar of soap, and this is what I'm smelling. It's bad. It's so bad. I can't. And then also there is this Tiara Rose dusting powder. So it comes in a box like this. Ugh, yeah, it's these two things that I'm smelling, and I can't do that. It is just so ridiculously strong. So, oh my goodness, I can't even. Oh, it's bad. Okay. Oh, it's so strong. It's like I don't know. I can't explain it. Okay, so generally this is one of my favorite boxes. This powder and this soap, it's just a big no for me. I'm probably gonna pass this lotion along too. I'm not gonna put these in a giveaway just because they're so strong. Like if it was just maybe like a medium kind of a strong, I would probably put it, but because these are so strong, and I know that some people can be super, super sensitive, and I can never predict who's going to get a box, I think I will just, I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. I just don't know. They're so strong smelling, but all right, that's all I have. So this box wasn't my favorite, and if you guys remember, I was kind of disappointed with last month's box too. I mean, the food stuff I will eat, and I think that this is adorable. I don't know if I'm gonna like the smell of that. So I'm gonna just set that aside, and I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Whew. Have a great day. Bye.